Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel Stock Index Edge. I'm Nandakshi Swami. Coming up with the Nifty levels. Before telling the Nifty levels, today market gap down, opened gap down, and it started selling off to the level of 21,298. So later, around 9:50, it started recovering. Let me zoom it out. Started recovering and it started moving up to 21,530 till 12:20. Later it started selling off. Selling off means it started correction. But it did not violate the low of 21,365, showing some positivity in the market. So probably it may continue tomorrow. For tomorrow, Nifty levels, based on the India VIX, I have taken out the calculations for the levels. So daily high comes around 21,620. Note down and mark it on your chart. And the low comes around 21,304. And weekly high comes around 21,881. And weekly low comes around 21,043. Nowadays, yesterday's low was 21,401, but it violated the low and finally closed above the low, yesterday's low, that is 21,464. Yesterday, I got the level as 21,401, but it has closed above that level. So, we need to know all the levels. So I have taken out monthly levels also. So you should know monthly levels. Nowadays, it is violating the levels. We should also be aware of the monthly levels. Monthly, we can get, depending upon the India VIX, 20,590. And another, on the high side, it has given the calculation to be as 22,334. So at present, we should watch on the daily low and the daily high. So it may 21,620 may act as resistance and 21,304 may act as support. So wherever it may take support within this range, the trade may be within this range. Suppose if it gaps up, this is the counter from where the selling has happened. Probably there is a lot of liquidity above this level. It can even go up to 21,620. Yesterday, the range was 21,741. Probably it can go up to 21,700 and 741. But we have to decide and trade only on the basis of daily opening and the price movement. Though usually first 15-minute candle is very, very important. That is the deciding candle. That will be the deciding candle. You need to carefully watch it. So I'll remove the volume profile so that you can see properly why it failed. Even though it opened positive, this was a little bit indecision candle. So manipulation on both the sides, sell side and buy side. Later, next 15-minute candle was a bullish, and third 15-minute candle, it violated, negated everything. So the price started moving down. Price started moving down only around, you can clearly see around 9:55, around 10 a.m. This was the first reversal candle. You can see closing above the opening price of the previous red candle, down candle. So this is the positivity. Later, the positive movement continued till 12:20 p.m. and then 12:20 a.m. Sorry, and then it started coming down, retraced down, and it was in a lot of range. So there was no trade actually for any option traders. So it went into a range. You can see small candles. Only around 2:30 there was a big movement. Only option trader could have gained little bit of money in that at that time. That's it. So this was the only trade for the put option buyers and also call option buyers. Actually, 21,400 call option made a low of 162 and rallied up to 286. So it was a great opportunity if you would have captured this moment in the morning. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Please note down all the levels. Note down all the levels which are marked on your chart so that you will have guidelines to trade for the next day, tomorrow. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.